In today's video, I will walk you through how to add interactive maps to Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Google Sheets. Start by creating two columns. In the first column, enter your country names, and in the second column, enter the population values for each country. Once your data is ready, highlight both columns. Next, click Insert at the top of the page, then choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart and open the chart editor on the right side. In the chart editor, open the Chart Type drop-down menu and select GeoChart. Your data will now appear as an interactive world map, with countries highlighted based on the population values in your sheet. You can hover over any country to view its details. If the map does not display correctly, check that the country names are spelled properly. And that's how to add an interactive map to Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video.